and A belong to G, then AH is subgroup of G if and only if A belong to H. That means if we suppose AH is subgroup, then obviously it is subgroup identity belong to AH, and H is also subgroup. Again, as H is also given subgroup, therefore E belong to H and E belong to AH implies H intersection AH not disjoint, and we know that if two left coset, this I can write left coset because I can write EH equal to H, write this. So two cosets either identical or disjoint, but because identity E is the common element, therefore they are not disjoint, so they are identical. Hence H and AH not disjoint, therefore H is equal to AH, right? H is equal to AH. Now this set has composition of AH, that means some element of this equal to this. So you can say AH is equal to H, we can say this, or simply if I take H is equal to identity, or this I can say, okay, I say this I say J, or this I can say if I don't want to take this, so I can say A equal to HJ HI inverse. HI inverse belong to H because H is subgroup. That means this is some element of H, and that we can say A belong to H. This we have to show. Now similarly we can prove the reverse part. If A belong to H, if A belong to H, that means AH is equal to H, and this is subgroup, so this is also subgroup. Since H is subgroup and AH equal to H, so AH is subgroup. Simple. And a short method also we could adopt. If this is another way, we can say just by proving this. If we suppose AH is subgroup, that means obviously identity belong to AH, and AH has what type of element? AH, where H belong to H, A belong to G, like this. That means E is equal to like this, right? So this where, or you can say for some Hi belong to H, that means as H is subgroup, so Hi inverse belong to H, this is H. That means I can, from here I can write A is equal to Hi inverse, and this element obviously H, and from here I can say A belong to H. So A belong to H. Now this for the second part we can use this result direct, A belong to H. So if A belong to H implies A is equal to Hi for some Hi belong to H, and from here we can show that AH is equal to H, and we can say AH is subgroup as AH is equal to H, as H is subgroup.